In the next couple of videos, we're going to create a short mini game, if you want to call it a game. You can decide when we're done. But just to try to reuse some of the things we already learned and put them into an application, and where we have some logic that works together into this little game. So it's going to be I stole it from old games. So if you remember Doom, Doom 2, Duke Nukem and so on, things like this, where you have a health bar, and the more you get hurt, the image of the player's face will change to getting more hurt, and once they're at 0 health, they die, and then you can restart the game. So we're just going to use a button to click it to restart and do damage, right? Real simple game. That's what we're going to try. So let's start out with doing some HTML part first, and then we'll start doing the CSS and the JavaScript afterwards, right? I'm just going to do some comment as well, so we can actually see if you want to revisit this at a later point or develop it. So this will be the player image, right? We want a hashtag, and then we want to be player, let's just call it player, right? That's fine. And then we want some more here. We want this one here, dash dash, and we want the player, what we call this, player damage or something like this. If we can just delete this afterwards if we don't want it. And then we want player damage, so how much damage we take. We don't really need that, but whatever. And then we need the player health bar, so we can see how much we have left. And that's going to be player health. And what else do we need? We need game controls, right? So we need to be able to control the game controls, and that's just going to be called controls, right? So easy peasy. And that's kind of what we need for now. In the controls, we are going to create a 2 buttons. So button 1 for let's just go damage, and we're going to create a button called restart, reset, restart, whatever you want, right? So these are, let's see what else we need. Oh yeah, we need here in our player health bar, we actually need somewhere to change the color of the bar where it fits and everything. So let's do an ID and call this health bar color, like so. So we actually have this as well. So this is going to change from green to orange to whatever, right? But the first iteration is probably just going to go green all the way. But this is for now what we need with the HTML, I think, or if not, we'll go back, because we also need to assign like classes and vbind with classes and so on and so on, vbind with styles, and we need to have the show. We're going to use the vshow to, when the game is done, when you're at 0, you can click the button more, you need to restart the game and so on and so on. But now we have set up our HTML. In the following videos, we're going to set up some of the CSS and then start doing the actual JS for this game. See you in the next video.